of the activities I have given to my students. I have asked them to give the examples of pull action or pushing action or both. And you have seen that they have responded very well. And thank you, my dear students. And like this only you keep learning creatively, then surely you will be learning physics very easily. Okay, so coming back to today's topic, we are going to learn an interesting topic called force. So by these all examples, you might have known that force is nothing but a pull or a push of an object. So first of all, what is pull and what is a push? So pull is nothing but moving any object towards yourself. Okay, so if I give a simple example of opening a door, then what you are doing? You are pulling the door towards yourself. Then that is opening of a door, means pulling of a door. Okay, if you want to close the door, then what you are doing? You are pushing the door away from you. Okay, so if you are moving any object towards you is pull and away from you is the push. Okay, so that is nothing but for both the actions you are going to apply some force. So we can give many examples of this force. So one more examples let us take. So auto you might have seen nowadays they are having self start, but before they used to have one handle towards the left hand side of the driver's seat. Then what they used to do, they used to lift the handle so that it gets started. Then what they are doing, they are pulling the handle towards themselves to start it again. Again to repeat the action, they are pushing the handle downwards. Again they are pulling it upwards. So like that, by repeatedly doing it for once or twice, then the auto used to get started. Okay, so this is one of the example of applying force. Then one more example, generally we wear bangles. Yes. So while wearing bangles, when you are putting into your hand, then what you are doing? You are pulling the bangle towards yourself. It's the same bangle if you want to take it off. Then what you are doing? You are pushing out the bangle out of you. Yes or no? So for that also you need the force. If you just keep the hand like that, will it come and go? No, it won't happen like that, right? So you have to apply some force for it. So here, like that, we have many examples in our daily life which need the force to be acted on them. Whether you are pushing it away from you or pulling it towards. I hope everyone have understood what is force. It is nothing but a pull or a push of an object. And here I have given few other examples. You can go through them and you can also find out more examples by observing your surroundings. Okay, next moving on to that. Force, is it only one type or any other types of forces are there? Are we applying same type of force onto different actions? Might be no. There are many kinds of forces. So let us know what kinds of forces are there. So generally we have two types of forces. So one is field forces and other is contact forces. Then what is field forces? Field forces are that kind of force which will be acting when the object is away from it or when the object is at some distance to it. Okay. So here if we are taking an example of a magnet pulling the iron nails, then what you are doing? You are placing an iron nail and you are placing the iron nails with some distance. Okay. You are not keeping them together. When you are keeping them with some distance, then what happens? Due to the force of the magnet, the iron nails gets attracted to the magnet. Okay. So that are called as field forces. And next is contact forces. So this type of force will be acting only when the object is in contact. Okay. Now let me take this board. Okay. So this board and I are in contact. Now if I want to push it, I have to apply some force by being in contact with it. Again if I want to pull it, again I have to keep some force on it by being in contact and then I have to pull it. If I say that go away, is it going? No, it won't go. Because it is not a field force. It is only applied by the contact forces. Okay, again in these two types, we have many other types of forces. So let us learn about these all types of forces in my next video. Until then, keep observing and keep learning. Thank you.